A reminder of the heavenly kingdom's principles on life, health, business, and social behavior. Leviticus 11:24-28. The following will make you unclean. Whoever touches the carcass of them will be unclean until evening, and whoever picks up any part of their carcass is to wash his clothes and be unclean until evening. Every animal that has a separate but incompletely divided hoof or that doesn't chew the cud is unclean for you. Anyone who touches them will become unclean. Whatever goes on its paws, among all animals that go on all fours, is unclean for you. Whoever touches its carcass will be unclean until evening, and whoever picks up its carcass is to wash his clothes and be unclean until evening. These are unclean for you. Principles we learn from these are: all four-legged animals like cats and dogs, etc., which have paws, are unclean animals, but they are not detestable animals. You may keep them as pets, but you are not to eat them. When a person touches the carcass of an unclean animal, the person is unclean until sunset. The person is to have a bath and also wash the clothing they were wearing when they had to touch during the disposal of the carcass of the unclean animal. May we honor these principles in our daily lives.